Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I am an attorney that helps other attorneys and their clients ethically, strategically, and proactively engage the court of public opinion to help those clients resolve their cases favorably and to help those attorneys build their practices. I wanted to talk in this video about the sorry state of press releases that are issued by attorneys and law firms about their active cases. It never ceases to amaze me just how poor these press releases tend to be. They tend to be junk, and they tend to be junk for two main reasons. One, a lot of these press releases are self-promotional. They talk about everything from the law firm's perspective. The law firm filed this case, the law firm has experience doing this kind of work, and of course the press release includes quotes from 17 different attorneys at that firm, only 2 of which are actually on the case. The second reason why press releases are junk, typically, when they're issued by attorneys and law firms about pending cases, is that these press releases are written by people who don't understand how to translate legal claims, factual allegations in a complaint into non-legalese, plain English, that can be easily digested by the media and the public. Sometimes these press releases are written by attorneys themselves who obviously struggle with decoding and translating legalese into plain English. But sometimes these press releases are written by in-house marketing people or outside PR people who don't have the legal knowledge to truly understand what exactly the legal claims are and what exactly the factual allegations are and how to translate those again into plain English that's easily digestible by the media and the public. The role of a press release when it's issued about a case, especially an active case now, not necessarily a settlement, but an active case. The role of that press release is to serve as a Cliff Notes version of the complaint or the underlying legal papers. And it is meant to help people understand what the filing is or what the development is about. People are not going to flip through a 50-page complaint with 100 pages worth of exhibits. That press release exists to summarize the claims or summarize whatever the content is of that court filing and maybe those exhibits. Summarize the content and put it in perspective. Frame it for the media and the public so they understand exactly why these claims are relevant, the significance of the factual allegations, etc. But again, most attorneys and law firms don't see press releases as tools to help reporters and the public understand. They unfortunately see press releases as purely self-promotional tools. The next press release you write about a pending case that you have at your firm should be written in a way that helps the public and the media understand what the case or the development is about. It should not be a purely self-promotional puff piece. If it is, it belongs in the pile of junk with most of the other press releases attorneys and law firms put out about their cases. Do better, stand out by actually providing useful content in your press release that will help a reporter and the public understand what you're doing with the case. When you do that, you are likely to find reporters are more likely to cover the story if it's newsworthy because they actually understand it. It's not hard to do, but avoid the temptation of making a press release all about you and your law firm. Make it all about the case, make it all about the claims and the client, and you'll see your press release will naturally float to the top and be better than the vast majority of press releases out there put out by attorneys and law firms about their cases.